You will need pencil and paper, a Sharpie, colour pencils, sellotape, scissors, an old pillow. Welcome to our squishy tutorial. We do hope you enjoy it. First, with a pencil, draw the outline of your favourite character. It doesn't matter if you go wrong at any stage because this is just a rough outline sketch. If the video goes slow for you at any stage, remember you can always speed it up. But we've left it on purpose like this so it gives you time to follow the tutorial. Enjoy! Well done! You're doing a fantastic job. Then, using a black Sharpie, go around your sketch. And again, don't worry if you make a mistake because we can cut it off afterwards. So just colour in the lines. It doesn't have to be black. You can use any colour you desire. And the next step, colour in your favourite character with your favourite colour pencils. Your picture is beginning to look amazing. When this is all complete, you're ready to move on to the next step. Gently fold the paper and make sure you press down good on the crease. Well done, you're doing such a fantastic job. Next thing next, we are going to cut out our picture and we are going to cut off the ears, as we will use this at a later time. Please remember, do not cut where you have creased the line. Once this is complete, you should be left with this. And now a Pritt stick. And what we are going to do is simply turn over the page, put a bit of glue on the outside of the drawing. Please remember to cap your glue sticks. And then we are going to gently fold the piece of paper back around. It's just to reinforce the ears. Now we are ready to place the sellotape onto our squishy. Just be careful to press it down only on your drawing, not the actual table. And when this is complete, turn it round and do the other side. Please remember not to go all the way to the top and leave a gap so as you can stuff and fill your squishy with whatever you want. Now it is ready for the next step and we shall leave the gap at the top. That's where we're going to stuff it from. Now press down on all the edges just to make sure it's got that stick. Now, leaving about 1.5 centimeters, we are going to cut round the edges of the sellotape. Now we are going to cut out the ears that we left to dry. And now the other ear. Now I used this old pillow that I was no longer using. We are just going to tear bits off to use in our squishy. So if you have any old pillows that you no longer need, I would just put them through the wash, leave them to dry and use them instead of all the expensive stuff on the market. Make sure it's filled with enough stuffing to get that squish. Now we're going to use a little bit of sellotape at the top to make sure it's in place. Now with a sellotape, we are going to go all the way around the edges, but only at the top opening, ensuring our squishy does not fail. Now we are going to slightly cut, bearing in mind not all the way up to the line. So we're going to leave a little space between the cut and the squishy. The reason we do this is so when we come to sellotape it, we can, regardless of the shape. Now we're going to get the sellotape and we're going to go all the way around the edges. That's it. That will seal in all of your squishy and keep it from failing. Using a bit of tape, we are going to now tape the ears in place. Ah, doesn't she look cute? There we have it. And we're going to do the squish test. See how soft that feels? Well done. If you have any hints or tips or would like to learn more, please leave it in the comments. And remember to subscribe. Bye for now. Thank you for watching.